Okay, let me put this farther over there. So, okay, like I said, we're gonna do a Dutch braid, but we're gonna put this aside, the front of our hair. I'm dividing it in this square. This is a braid, like if you just want to look pretty at home, or I was thinking, if you go to the store, of course, it's very pretty. You know, make it to go to service too when we're out of all this, right? When we able to go again. Praise the Lord in His house, but praise the Lord at home too. Okay. So I'm putting this away. Okay, is that square that I divided? Put it away. It's ordering our steps. We're not alone at all. Okay, so I'm gonna turn. Okay, let me. Okay. And you see the square? So we're gonna start our Dutch braid. And remember, run your fingers all the way to the bottom. Hopefully y'all know how to do a Dutch braid. This is a Dutch braid and we're gonna make it thick. Okay, run your fingers. We gotta wait. Run fingers. You're gonna like what we're gonna do. You're gonna like it, I promise. So, you know, bring it over. You gotta wait. So we're gonna wait here, and we're gonna start make it wide. I want to make it wide. Send me likes if you're there. Okay, so we're gonna make it wide. Start in the bottom. Okay. And we're gonna go high. Always hold. Always hold. See, I'm not letting go. Always holding. I'm in control. I'm in control of my hair. Okay. Alright. So you guys can see what I'm doing. You can make it as wider as you would like. I think I'm almost set right there. ¿Alguien puede callar a Eduardo? Sí. Sí. Yes. Alright, so that's my braid. Right there. Perfect. And we're gonna hairspray it, okay? Number 3. I always change the difference in can't do a Dutch braid, can't wait to see the finish. Oh, yes, it's very cute. This is very cute. So let's hairspray it. You gotta wait, sister. Okay. We can finish. And then I don't want to use number 3 hold on the sides. I want to use number 1 hold on the sides. Okay. Just for those baby hairs. I wash my hair not too long ago. So here's what's coming next. Thank you for all your comments. Thank you. I love you all too. You guys, also you guys make my days. Make my day. Okay, so let me see, we have this left. What are we gonna do with this? Huh? Anybody have an idea? Have an idea? Yes, no? Okay, so I'm gonna do, I don't know, we can do a fishtail. We can do a fishtail, or I can do just a small French braid. You can do a fishtail or just a normal braid. Okay? And then if you don't like to see flat, your top flat, then this is the right time. Once you cross already here, then you start putting the front. Okay? Make sure this braid is tight. You need to make it tight. Okay, let me bring it to the side so I'll be able to reach. You see, you gotta run your fingers every time you braid, because then you'll be braiding down here and it's not fun because it's gonna be a mess. So if you see, I didn't finish braiding this big one because I don't know where this one is gonna stop. So we need to put it together later. Okay. Okay, so look, it's pretty long. So I think I'm gonna be all set with this one. I think it should be fine. Let me find a rubber band over here. So I'm gonna put a rubber band. Wait on the Lord. Wait on the Lord. Okay. So since we opened our braid, right? We did. We are going to start to placing the little one on top. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. Let me find my baby, not baby, but you're gonna need these ones, small ones, compared to this one. See? These are my best friends. Yeah. But these ones are just for details because they don't hold much in my hair. So I'm gonna find small bobby pins. Okay? Let me know if I go crooked, okay? Because I don't want to go crooked on my braid. Yes, we are waiting on the Lord. So you're gonna just place it there. And then if you think you can pull more you braid, perfect, do it. down. So let's see where I'm at. Let's see. Ones in the bottom, you gotta, the ones on top, I went this way. Now the ones on the bottom, I'm gonna go the other way. See? See? You guys like it? Yes, I love that song too. You see, you guys like it? Send me likes if you like it. You see? Right. And since and our hair, let's see. Guys, Josué y Alex, pueden hacer silencio. My kids are just playing rough and I don't like that. They play rough. Que se callen, hijo, por favor.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's see where I'm at here on my braid. You can keep braiding. Keep braiding. Braiding over here until this one's finished. So I think I'm gonna sit there. I'm gonna pull it too. I know I'm taking more time than I'm supposed to, but I want to explain very well. I don't want to go just like boop, 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 done. No, I want to take the time so you guys can see what I'm doing, right? That'd be nice. That's nice. That's nice. Okay, so I pull. Make sure, turn it this other way. Then make sure it's pulled through the right way. I'm gonna get my little one, my little guy over here. And see. Placing my bobby pin. See how it looks? Looks nice. Yeah. Looks nice, ladies. Look. Look. We have a center braid. You see that detail? That looks nice. Yeah. Okay, so since this one is over here, we're gonna hide it because here are my ends. I'm just gonna put it through in there and we are all set. But ladies, this is nice. Let me turn. Okay. And you can do that to go, I feel good. No, this is not even tight. You know, there's people that says, I don't do braids because they're too tight on me and they cause me headaches and all that. But this one is, look, it's not even tight. It is so cute. It's so cute. The detail. So cute. Let me come closer. Look. Look, and it's so simple. It's easy. It's simple. So let me know if you like it. Let me know, please. See? Cute, cute. Cute, 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 cute. Okay, so what we can do with the rest, if we have rest, right? If you have the hair that I have, then what we can do with the rest, I'm just gonna put it away. Okay, if you're done over here, if your hair is up to here, then you're good. You can just curl the ends a little bit if you like it. Okay, but I don't like to use much of heat. It depends, right? It depends. So what I'm gonna do here at the end is just hide it. I'm gonna create a loop. See that loop? See that? In the middle. I gotta do it again. Sorry, I gotta come closer. Here we go. It's a knot. And then He's ordering your steps. You gotta wait. You just gotta wait. Amen. And all I'm doing is bobbing pin it with big ones. So hopefully you guys like it. It's very comfy, very comfortable to wear this braid. So it was nice. See? It's very cute hairstyle. You can always bring hair in your face and all that, but I'm about to go cook and I don't want hair in my face. But if I were to go to service right now, then I'd have a little bit of hair here, curl a little bit. But I hope everybody's doing good. Hope everybody's doing your best recipes. Also, clean the house, do the laundry, all the things that we gotta do, right? Keep ourselves busy. Do exercise. If you have a treadmill, it's time to use it. Come on, it's time to use it. So thank you for watching me doing this hair tutorial. It's a beautiful braid and I hope you guys like it. I enjoy it doing it for you. Thank you so much, and then I'll see you soon. Remember to love the Lord with all your heart, soul, and mind. Bye.